Sai Ram children, today we are here to revise what we learned previously. So, let us do a quick revision of chapter number 2 on the coconut tree. Now, here you can see multiple choice questions. Now, tick the correct answer. What you have to do, I will read the question for you. Here you can see three options, that is A, B and C. Now I will read for you question number 1. What kind of house does grandma live in? Do you remember about grandma and her grandson Raju? They both live in a house, right? Yes. Now, do you remember what kind of house does grandma live in? Grandma live in a big house or small house? Yes, big house. So our answer is B-I-G, big. Now here are three options you can see. From three options you have to tick one right answer. A, small, B, big, C, huge. So our answer is B, big. I'll put right to B-I-G, big. What kind of house does grandma live in? Our answer is B-I-G, big. Let us see the next question. Question number 2. Which tree is near to grandma house? Now, I taught you about grandma live in a big house. Yes? Now, outside the house, there is a big garden. Remember children, there is a big garden. In the garden, there is a big tree. Can you tell me which tree? Yes, it is a coconut tree. So, question number 2. Which tree is near to grandma's house? We have three options here. A, coconut tree, B, banana tree, C, apple tree. So which is our correct answer children? A, coconut tree. I'll put right to coconut tree. Again I repeat question number 2. Which tree is near to grandma's house? Our answer is A, coconut tree. Now let us see the next question. Question number 3. Who doesn't listen to grandma? Now with grandma, Raju live with grandma, you know that? Yes? Now why Raju don't listen to grandma? Do you know that? He is very naughty. I have explained you in the chapter, right? So our answer is who? Our answer is Raju. Who doesn't listen to grandma? Now let us read the options. A, uncle, B, sister, C, Raju. So our answer is Raju. What is our answer? Raju. Now I'll put tick to Raju. R-A-J-U, Raju. Let us read once more. Question number 3. Who doesn't listen to grandma? Answer is C, Raju. Okay. Now let us go to question number 4. Now, where was the monkey? Now, outside the grandma house, there is a big garden. You all know that. In the garden, there was a big tree. Can you tell me which tree was that? Anyone here? Which tree was that? Right, on the coconut tree. Now, again we have three options here. A, on the coconut tree. B, inside the house. C, on the wall. Again I repeat the question. Where was the monkey? A. On the coconut tree. B. Inside the house. C. On the wall. So can you tell me, children, which is the correct answer? A. On the coconut tree. I will put right to on the coconut tree. Again I repeat. Where was the monkey, children? Come on, tell me, where was the monkey? On the coconut tree. Now let us see the next question. Question number 5. What did grandma tell Raju? Do you remember what did grandma tell Raju? You all know that Raju was very naughty. He doesn't listen to grandma. But just tell me, what did grandma tell Raju? Our options are A. Not to climb the wall. B. Not to climb the ladder. C. Not to climb the tree. Can you tell me which is the correct answer, children? C. Not to climb the tree. Again I repeat the question. What did grandma tell Raju? A. Not to climb the wall. B. Not to climb the ladder. C. Not to climb the tree. Our answer is C. Not to climb the tree. Now let us put right to the answer. Okay, children. Again I repeat the question. What did grandma tell Raju? Not to climb the tree. Okay, now let us see the next question. Question number 6. Don't climb the tree. Now our question is, don't climb the tree. Who says this to whom? Now, who says this to whom not to climb the tree, children? Our options are A. Raju said to grandma. B. Grandma said to Raju. C. Raju said to sister. Now which is our correct answer? Our correct answer is B. Grandma said to Raju. Don't climb the tree. Who says this to whom? B. Grandma said to Raju. So our correct answer is B. Okay, children. Who says this to whom? Don't climb the tree. Grandma said to Raju. Next. Question number 7. There is a monkey on the tree. Do you remember outside the garden there was a big tree? On the tree there was a monkey. Who says this to whom? Come on, tell me, children. Who says this to whom? Our options are A. Grandma said to Pinky. B. Raju said to grandma. C. Grandma said to Raju. Now tell me the correct answer. Who says this to whom? There is a monkey on the tree. Grandma said to Raju. Our right answer is C. Grandma said to Raju. Okay, children? Understood? Good. Our next question. Question number 8. Add ing to climb. Now here what you have to do? You have to add ing. What is your question? Add ing to climb. Our question is ing to climb. So our answer will be climbing. Now here you can see 3 options. A. Falling. B. Climbing. C. Crying. Now here you have to add ing. Remember, I have told you the question, add ing to climb. So our answer is B. Climbing. What is our answer? B. climbing. So we will put right to B option. Okay children, correct? Very good. Now again I repeat the question. Question number 8. Add ing to climb. Our answer is B, climbing. Okay children? Next. Next question is question number 9. Add ing to eat. What is our next question? Add ing to eat. So what you remember, what is the answer? If I tell you add ing to ing, what are you going to write? Yes, you are going to put ing. But where? What is your question? Eat. So you are going to write eating. Right? So we have your 3 options. A, drinking. B, eating. C, looking. Now, which is the correct answer? B, eating. So I will put right to B option. Eating. Yes, correct? Again I repeat. Add ing to eat. Our answer is B, eating. Okay children? Understood everyone? Very good. Now, let us go to the next question. Question number 10. What is the opposite of big? Now I will explain you children. What is the opposite? Now I will explain you what is opposite. The meaning of opposite. Opposites are pairs of words that have different meanings. For example, fast, slow. Happy. Happy opposite is sad. Opposite of big, small. So our question is, what is the opposite of big? Now what is your answer opposite of big? Small. Very good. Now here you can see 3 options. A, tiny. B, small. C, little. Again I repeat the question. What is the opposite of big? Our answer is small. So we will put right to small. B, small. Understood children? Very good. Now again I repeat the question. What is the opposite of big? Our answer is opposite of big is small. Very good. I hope you all have understood this revision. Am I right? Very good children. Revise, read and enjoy. Okay? Thank you.